tattoos. They need to be lick on your tattoos. That's true that I like PDA. Take me to a city place, suck a little dick in the bathroom. Who that man with the big strong hands on her ass in the club with the path to me? That's you. Front seat chilling with the window down. I be 10 toes down on the dash. Fast food, hope you can handle the heat. Put your name in the streets. Get used to my fans looking at you. Fuck what they heard. Don't fuck with them birds. I'm a mean kitty. Don't get stabbed with the rats. The boys be mad that I don't fuck insult. Girls hate too. Gun to the pigtail. I love you. I wanna bitch you, boy. Don't try.
Kissing and hope the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up.
Cause love is pain, but I need this shit. We fuck too good when the bean kicks in. Like Fortnite, I'ma need your skin. Don't give a fuck with the penis spin. Boy, you're the one, you're the only man. Me and you are my only fans. Holy cow, you're the holy trend. Hold me down when I hold me dick. Be my security, it's your therapy. With you, I ain't holding shit back. When I need my space, you give that. When he broke my heart, you fixed that. With a long walk on the beach. Living when they honk on the street. They see us soon right in the Jeep. We a whole damn joint, we a energy.
Kissing and hope the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. Kissing and hope the cutters, whether they like it or not. I wanna show you up, I wanna show you up. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. What it was, boy.